To hide fingerprint scanner when the screen is off in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under security section, tap biometric. Tap fingerprint. Enter your current secure screen lock. As the example, if you use pattern, draw your pattern. While fingerprint always on option is on, tap show icon when screen is off, and then select never. Now your phone will hide fingerprint scanner when the screen is off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.